Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. So I just feel like sharing something now. It's not about this trade and it's quite messy right there. So I have to actually just hide it so that I can talk about what I actually want to talk about, right? So obviously, what I want to share is very simple. Now, when you look at my setup on gold, which is my entry models, my level of interest, and all those stuff, you see that it's very simple. I have my demand zone, my supply zone. This is just an internal area that I actually think price will push to. Within this zone, you can also call it a what? um indecision zone, right? So price will either choose to continue pushing all the way up or coming all the way down, all the way back to this demand zone, right? But this is not what I actually want to show you. What I want to show you is the reason why a lot of traders actually blow their accounts, or the reason why a lot of traders are not really yet profitable, right? Now look at this gold setup. You know for sure that I trade gold probably more than I trade all the other pairs, right? But the thing is, what a lot of people don't understand is even if I'm trading gold much more, I still look at other pairs. And looking at other pairs, it's what's going to give you good setups. It's what's going to give you very good entries, right? And when we go to Euro USD, when we come to Euro USD, right? So this is what my setup looks like on what Euro USD. Now, obviously, you can see that on Euro USD, I'm not even in a single trade. Look at it. I'm not even in a single trade. But what do you see happening? You see me having what? Alarms all over the place, right? Now, obviously, this is what you need to be doing as a trader. If I go to different pairs as well, you are going to see the same thing. You are going to see me always having my demand zones, my level of interest, and my alarms set over there as well. So even if I'm on what? Gold and I'm trading gold at the moment and I see that, oh yeah, they are telling me that my alarm has kicked off on what? USD BTC or something like that. I'm going straight to that place to look at it, wait for a rejection, and I'll enter into a much more good setup. Now the reason why a lot of traders actually fail is because of this right here. Now when you look closely, you realize that within this range, that is just a consolidation, a very serious consolidation, but a lot of people will not understand. You'll be looking forward to entering into a series of buys right here, which will eventually do what? Hit your account and you eventually blow it. Because what price is just doing there is just what? A very simple consolidation. Price might come back to it and will push all the way back down to the demand zone again. What do I have to do? I have to wait. If price get back to here and I see us breaking through it, I know we are coming to the next supply zone. I'm entering into my trade all the way up to the next supply zone. If price comes all the way back here, I see a massive rejection. I know we are coming all the way down to the next demand zone. I'm entering into my trade all the way back down to the demand zone. You see how simple it is. When we go to the gold trade right now, I think probably my first TP will be likely getting hit just soon, as you can see. So obviously my first TP is almost hit. Now what I want to show you is very simple, right? Let me just close it right there. It's not really necessary. When you look closely at it, you see that when price gets to my supply zone, I did not enter into the trade eagerly. No, I waited for this pullback. Price made another push all the way up. When you look closely at it, right? So let me show you this. Price hit my supply zone, made a push all the way down, pull back to the upside, right? And we see this massive candle. This massive candle is telling me that now I just got the confirmation that my first TP has been hit, but that's just by the way. This massive candle is telling me that what? Price is pushing down. Now I already have my possible what? Buy zone. As you can see, this is a possible buy zone, but you can see that it's very huge, right? Because from here all the way up to this range right here, that's it's a very huge possibility that price will either reject from here and continue pushing all the way up, or price will just push through this and will come all the way back down to this demand zone right here. So as a trader, every single day, if you wake up, try your best and find your supply zone, your demand zone, and your what? Your levels of interest. Now, these things I usually does it just with the daily candle. I'll just go and reference the next day because I'll always wait until markets close, which will be around 9 p.m. or 10 p.m. for me, right? That would be around 9, 10 p.m. So I'll wait for market to close. I'll use that daily candle right there from the whole day and I'll mark my levels. Simple. So the next day, I'll be looking forward for the daily candle to actually respect these zones right here. Now, if I could see five people just say, yeah, just type in the word, let me see, analyze. Okay. If I could see five people just type in the words analyze in the what comment section, I'm going to be doing this every single day after market closes, and I'll just post the video so that you can actually come to this channel, you watch it, and you either choose to follow what I'm doing or you look at it and see whether it has aligned with what you are doing, right? It's very, very simple. I've been using this every single day. It has been working for me. It can equally work for you if only you understand it, right? But that's just it. You see that when we go there, I'm not entering into any trade. No, because it hasn't reached my level of interest. If it reaches my level of interest, I know what to do immediately. Price comes here, is rejecting, I'm entering into a sell. Price pushes all the way back down here, is rejecting, I'm entering into a buy. Price push through this, I'm entering into a sell, and I'm targeting the next demand zone. It's very, very simple. Very, very what? Simple. Now you can do this on 5, 6, 7, or 8 pairs. And it's not every day that you're going to get trade on Euro USD. It's not every day that you're going to get trade on what JAL USD, right? But the other pairs might be very, very good on that day. So this is just what I just want to say. Please try your best and just try your best and be doing these things. It's very, very good for you. I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.